Well, the commission, of course, has to respond to the destruction or damage of grade 1 and grade 2 level cultural properties if these are affected by natural calamities tulad nga ng mga earthquake, no? Mga volcanic eruption, no? Nagkaroon na rin tayo ng mga damage sa mga structures because of typhoons, no? And again, the big problem here, it's of course subject to the availability of funds, no? It's not cheap to restore a building. I mean, nung nasira yung mga simbahan sa Bohol, ilang daang milyon ang ginastos ng national government para maitayo ulit yung mga simbahan na yon, no? Kaya nga ano yan the irony of it all, part of the funds that was used to reconstruct the churches in Bohol was the travel tax, no? Because the NCCA gets 10%, no, from the travel tax, and TIEZA gets about I think 40 or 50%, no, of the travel tax, no? So these funds were used to restore the churches. So ngayon, kung mawala yon, no, I'm not saying I'm pro or against the travel tax, but what I'm saying is that we need to have another source of funding for the restoration of structures, no? Kaya nga mahirap, no? It's that's why I always say it's subject to the availability of funding. Kahit ako yung mangulit, no? Kahit gugustuhin ko, kasi while I'm commissioner, hindi naman ako part ng secretariat, no? At sila ay of course constrained by budgetary budgetary availability, no? So and alam naman natin kapag nangyari ang earthquake, nangyari ang typhoon, nangyari ang volcanic eruption, ito ay biglaan, 'di ba? So hindi siya naka-input doon sa General Appropriations Act, no? So kailangan niya nang tignan natin, how do we include in our national budget the provision for disaster response specifically for heritage structures, kasi yun ang isa sa mga kulang, no? And sabihin natin, you know, the community also need these heritage structures, no? Like for example the churches, no? But sasabihin nila separation of church and state, but I just want to point out, we are restoring the structures not because they are religious in nature. We are restoring them because of their cultural value, because they are cultural treasures of the country, no? So yun yung ano doon, kaya gumagamit tayong pondo ng gobyerno.